previous video, but I kind of wanted to cut my hair today. I am very impulsive. It might be the ADHD. However, I do have to preface with, I've been thinking about this for a while, and I do have a very good hair girl, but she's kind of been booked out, and I thought, well, I can cut my own hair and see how it goes, and then I can schedule with her if I need to get it fixed. But if I don't need to get it fixed, then I just saved myself some money, and I am gonna get it highlighted just because I have a bunch of grays. So I'm definitely gonna schedule to kind of get more of these lights in. My brain's all over. I've very thin hair. I have a little bit of natural curl, which means my hair looks thicker than it is, but it's super thin, and it has just gotten thinner and thinner. I have tried so many hair vitamins. I have tried all the hair oils. I've spent a lot of money to see if I could thicken up my hair, and nothing has worked. So I just think this is the condition of my hair. But it's seriously like, it's teeny. And in my videos, when you've seen it before, I usually am wearing some kind of a hair filler, like a little bit of a clip-in hair, because I like the look of kind of that full hair. I thought that if I cut my hair a little bit shorter, it might have a little bit more volume to it, maybe it will look a little thicker. It would be nice to have a new year and a new change, but I was thinking just cutting about that much off. I also have like a lot of dead ends, like it just feels like my hair is super dry. I watched a couple videos and you know, whatever, like we can try it out and see what happens, right? I've cut my hair before, just like little trims, but let's see how this goes. In the video, it said to do 2 pigtails. And I'm really not even, like, this is not a video to show a hair cutting tutorial. This is just a video to document the fact that I'm totally loony. So they said to put the elastics in just below where you want to cut it. So I wonder, this is totally crazy. So probably about here is what I'm thinking. So that's a good chunk off. We're just going to cut. I cannot believe I'm doing this right now, honestly. Jack is going to die. There we go. That's not too much. And again, I said my hair is super thin, so. Okay, so there we go. Cut a little bit. What is that? 6 inches, 5 inches. Yes, I'm gonna blend the ends. I've, you know, it's just hair, right? Because we want it a little longer in the front, she did I think this will be a fun change. Because you will need to kind of go through already. My hair feels so thick. Like, I would love long hair, but the reality is my hair is really thin, and I've always wanted long hair. I'm hoping this just gives me the freedom to wear my hair without feeling like I need to add any thickness to it. And I know I don't have to add hair to my hair, but I have a preference of how I like my hair to look, and so that's one of them. Yeah, we don't want that long piece there. From the back, I'm bringing it forward and just checking on the length here, and then just chipping it to blend it. I call it chipping. I think it's called point cut. Okay. Like a long A-line bob. I'm going to go wash my hair and style it and check for more pieces that maybe need to get trimmed. Okay, so this is the final cut. I went and styled it, and I just made sure that my ends were all even, and that is the trick to this haircut. This is what is considered a long bob, and just reminder tip, if you try this haircut, is that when you pull your hair from the back, make sure this is just a little shorter. You can just take a little bit more off. That will give you that shorter in the back, gradually get longer in the front. And this is exactly the haircut I needed. I just can't even tell you. I feel like this is way better than any kind of therapy, because I just came to this I just didn't understand how much would transform in me with just cutting my own hair, because I think I have finally come to this acceptance that my hair is thin and it's fine. And for 12 years, I have tried every hair vitamin, all the hair oils, because I really just wanted this thick, long hair. And I've always just loved everybody with long hair, and I've always felt like I wish that my hair was long. And I didn't realize that for the last 12 years, it has been a weight and an energy that has just been with me all the time. And liberating myself and just finally accepting that my hair is just thin and it's fine, and wearing it like this is the way it is. It flatters me the most, and I don't have to add in more hair, and I don't have to try to make my hair something it's not, has been hugely liberating for me. I just feel like I'm ready to embrace my hair type. So if you are struggling with your hair, just embrace it. Do what is right for your hair type, and I promise you, you'll feel so much better. At least I do. Show up in life with the confidence that you have to be seen, that you recognize how beautiful you are, and just show up the way you are, because that is enough, and you are beautiful the way you are. We have so many commercials and advertisements that's advertising hair oils, hair products, makeup products, all these things, and honestly, it's just kind of sickening how much it is affecting us as women. And I really have just I've had my fill. It's annoying. You're beautiful. You don't need all this other stuff. And I hope that you just know that and you recognize it, because it has been a huge shift for me to just embrace me and embrace my beauty in all of its forms. So I hope you enjoyed this video and try this haircut. I saved myself $75 by just cutting my own hair. So this was definitely a win for me, and it just really helped me not have to work a haircut into my budget, and I was able to save some money. And I will definitely do this method again. It was the perfect method, easy to do. So I hope you try it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.